This is episode 3 of the Mishiyeva Law Podcast. Located on 85 Broad Street on the 18th floor in New York, we are a law firm specialized in estate planning, probate, and estate administration. Our number is 646-535-1667. Today, we discuss 3 quick estate planning tips. Tip number 1, get a will done by a lawyer. Don't go on Google and print out a template. The credibility of a will is always at stake in surrogate's court. During a will contest, the other party will use everything they possibly can to knock down the will. Also, it is 2016. Get a will, record yourself on your iPhone reading out of your will, and even record yourself and your doctor discussing your sound state of mind while holding on to the will. Also, have your witnesses recorded during the signing of the will. Strange as it may all sound, do everything you can to ensure your beneficiaries don't have to deal with any unnecessary issues after your passing, especially if you are not part of a traditional family. Tip number 2, your attorney may be someone you know for a very long time and someone you completely trust, but don't fool yourself, especially if your estate is big. You really don't know what they have put in the will without your consent. Don't simply sign it and expect it to be representative of your wishes. After they draft your will, get a second opinion on this crucial document. Find another lawyer whom you have no history with to examine the will with you. If there's no problems, then go ahead and use that will as your last will and testament. If there are problems, we suggest you find a new lawyer. Tip number 3, avoid probate altogether. Get yourself a trust. It may cost you more money up front, but to avoid the months in surrogate's court and the possibility of a will contest, setting up a trust is very beneficial and very cost effective when you look at it at the end of the day. That concludes our 3 quick estate planning tips. So just to recap, tip number 1, get a will done by a lawyer and use your smartphone to record the entire process of the signing of the will, and even the process in which you and your doctor discuss your mental state. Tip number 2, get a second opinion on your will if attorney did sign it, especially if it's attorney that you know for a very long time. Tip number 3, try to avoid probate altogether by getting yourself a trust. And that concludes our 3 quick estate planning tips. Again, we're the Mishiyeva Law Firm, located on 85 Broad Street on the 18th floor in New York. We are a law firm specialized in estate planning, probate, and estate administration. Our number is 646-535-1667. Should you want a free consultation over the phone or an office visit, feel free to contact us immediately. Thank you.